Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture, we will be discussing the meaning of service quality. With that, we will be discussing the different dimensions of service quality. So, what is service and what is quality? Okay. First, we will discuss these two terminologies differently. Then we will go through the meaning of service quality. Okay. Service. What is service? See, service is a combination of all intangible things or intangible factors offered to the consumer for satisfying his needs. Is it? So, the second word, that is quality. What is quality? Quality is conformance with the requirements. Okay, means whatsoever is required by the consumer, whatsoever is required by the consumer as per his needs, whenever his needs matches with the features of your product, he determines that, or he responds that your product is having quality into it. Okay, so when defining the concept of service quality, one should always start with customers, as quality is the important factor for customers and also it is their basis of their opinion, which will then result in the fact that service quality is achieved if the customer expectations they are also achieved. See, every time we discuss that, whenever we think about the quality of any product, okay, or quality of any service, always it should be C2C. C2C means what? Yes, your service or your product, it should start with the customer needs and it should always be ending at satisfying the customer. So whenever we start with customer needs, whenever we start with customer need and we end with customer satisfaction, surely our business will be profitable ones. So if what the customer expects, okay, what the customer expect, if it is met with your product, okay, if whatsoever the customer expects, if it is met with the features or the characteristics which you offer through your product or service, is it, surely the customer will think, or surely the customer will mark your service as having a quality. Okay, while doing the service product design process, a significant element is the service quality, as it influences the volume of demand for a given service product as well as customer profile of this service product. Okay, the most significant positioning tool of service provider and their offer on the contemporary service market is the service quality. See, nowadays in this 21st century, in this modern era, everything's go on changing, right? Change is the inevitable part, is it? Whenever we consider the market, is it, what is certain, change is certain, means yes, every day, every minute, every second, is it, the changes happens in the market. Okay, so as per the changes in the market, as per the changes in the market, you are supposed, yes, you are supposed to make modifications into your product, you are supposed to make modifications into your product. Now whenever you are doing the modifications, okay, whenever you are doing the modifications, what you are required to do, you are required to, yes, check the customer needs, the changing preferences and taste of the customer. With that, okay, that much is not enough actually. Okay, with that, always strive harder, take efforts in such a way that the quality of your product or the quality of your service, it will be up to mark or it will be superior ones, because nowadays the customers they never tolerate for the quality into your product. ओके, तुमच्या प्रोडक्टमधली जी क्वालिटी आहे, तुमच्या सर्व्हिसमधली जी क्वालिटी आहे, समजा ती इन्फिरियर क्वालिटी असेल, समजा द कस्टमर जो आहे तो समजा एखाद्या प्रोडक्टसाठी, एखाद्या सर्व्हिससाठी अगदी ₹10 जरी पे करत असेल, तर तो काय करतो, त्याचे एक्सपेक्टेशन्स काय असतात की मी जर 10 रुपये पे केले असतील तर रिझल्टंट जे व्हॅल्यू आहे, म्हणजे ती जी सर्विस आहे किंवा ते जे प्रोडक्ट आहे ते प्रोडक्ट कन्झ्युम केल्यानंतर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन किंवा व्हॅल्यू जे आहे ते व्हॅल्यू त्या 10 रुपयेपेक्षा नेहमीच जास्त असली पाहिजे, अशा प्रकारे त्याचं एक्सपेक्टेशन असते. सो whenever we think about the product, yes, always, or whenever we think about the service, always what should be done? Yes, check whether quality is there into your product. Okay, if you are not having quality into your product, surely you will lag behind. So whenever we think about positioning of our product, okay, whenever we think about positioning of our product, is it, if you want to establish a position in the market, okay, if you want to establish a position in the market, quality of your product itself can be one of the effective tool to position, to fix your product in the market. Okay, so what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to check, see whether there is quality into the service which you are providing through your unit. ओके, तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू, तुमच्या कंपनी थ्रू जे प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही ऑफर करताय, जी सर्विस तुम्ही ऑफर करताय, त्याच्यामध्ये क्वालिटी आहे का हे चेक करणं, येस, इट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. ओके, इफ there is no quality into your product, or the quality of your product it is of inferior type, okay, then surely the customer will not demand your product. Okay, the customer will not demand your product, and if the customer doesn't demand your product, what will happen then? Okay, whatsoever you have produced, whatsoever you have whatsoever you are ready to offer, if it is not demanded, then surely your business will be suffering heavy losses, right? Your business will be suffering heavy losses. So the impact of quality service on profit and financial indicators of business performance is an important aspect to understand in service marketing. See, if there is a quality into your service, surely the customer will be preferring your product in the first position itself, or they will firstly yes, demand your product itself. Okay, your product or service itself, right? Okay, then after that, okay, if the customers, they are satisfied by consuming your product, and your the quality of your product or the superiority is reflected into your product, is it? If this is the thing, then what happens? See, if the customer is satisfied by consuming your product, surely after some time, what will happen? Yes, the customers will be doing mouth publicity. Of your product. Okay, and through mouth publicity itself, okay, more and more customers, they will approach your service center. Okay, they will consume your service and they will get them satisfied, is it? And if this is the routine, surely it will be helpful for you to progress, it will be helpful for your organization to progress. Okay, then as it affects the constant improvement of service performance by increasing market share and strategic force. With that, profit growth Keep in mind that service quality is very significant source of sustainable competitive advantage. This will yield an increase in financial results and will achieve sustainable competitive advantage. See, due to this, what will happen? Okay, if you have quality contained into your service, is it surely what will happen? If there is quality into your product, what will happen? Yes, due to this surely your organization will go on progressing. Your organization will go on progressing. Is it? Whenever you go on progressing, whenever your organization goes on progressing, what will happen then? Yes, you can beat any type of competition. You can surely beat any type of competition, right? Okay. Then, see, this will surely yield an increase in financial results and will achieve sustainable competitive advantage. Yes, what is competitive advantage? See, if always, if you are the first preference of your consumer, right? Okay, if you, that is, your brand is the first preference of your consumer, then surely you will go on progressing because it will be reflected into the profits of your business, and surely further it will be reflected into competitive advantage. Means what? You will be the leader of the market. Yes, you will be the leader of the market. Yes, you will capture the market in such a way that, yes, others they will be forced to follow your strategies, forced to follow you, right? Okay, then quality based service marketing strategy is sustainable in nature, as not all competitors can achieve the service quality expected by the consumers. Hence, those service companies that base their strategies on quality have an excellent reputation, and this feature of their quality poses a barrier to developing competitive copycat marketing strategies. Is it? See, every service provider, they are not able, every service provider, they are not able to provide good service. So whomsoever or whatsoever service companies they provide, yes, quality, they will be having good reputation, goodwill in the market. Okay, and this feature will be copied or followed by others. Okay, getting it? Then service providers define and attain the service quality while consumers perceive quality during the service delivery process. The way consumers perceive moments of truth is directly reflected on the evaluation of total quality service, especially in services whose deliveries are repeated, which implies a highly professional approach to moments of truth aimed at building and maintaining long term consumer relations. See, once your customer is satisfied by consuming your product, okay, whatsoever needs he has, okay, if your product is satisfying those needs, what will happen then? What will happen then? Yes, every time he will be demanding your product itself. Every time he will be demanding your product itself. So, service providers nowadays, they should always be focusing and defining the quality of service they are providing, because consumers nowadays, they don't tolerate, okay, inferior quality of the product or inferiority in the product. Okay, the way consumers pursue moments of truth is directly reflected on the evaluation of total quality service, especially in services whose deliveries are repeated, which implies a highly professional approach to moments of truth aimed at building and maintaining long term consumer relations. See, once the consumer is satisfied by consuming your product, if his needs they are satisfied by consuming your product or consuming your service, what will happen then? Yes, next time whenever he will be having same type of need, next time whenever he will be having same type of need, at that time he will prefer surely your product. He will ask for your product, he will search for your product, and he will purchase your product. Okay, what is this then? Yes, due to this consumer loyalty is also built up, and you can establish a good long term relations with the consumers. Okay, then improving service quality and building long term consumer relations requires good knowledge of moments of truth, that is, activities carried out within those as well as the consumer perception of those. Is it? See, if you go on building consumer relations, is it? If you want to do any improvement into your service provision, or if you want to offer additional service through your company, okay, what you can do, see, the consumers they are loyal to you, the consumers are having good relationship with you. Yes, you can ask suggestions from them. Yes, you can surely contact them, communicate them, and yes, due to this, you will surely improve. Due to this, you will surely improve whatsoever service you are providing, or the quality of service which you are providing through your company. Okay, then quality based service company management should especially focus on four key areas important for achieving quality. First one is service encounters. Okay, then service design, service productivity, service providers, corporate culture. See, these are the four things which especially a company should be focusing on. First one is service encounter. See, service encounter means what? Yes, whenever, for example, if you approach a bank, if you approach a bank, right? Okay, if you want to withdraw cash from bank, yes, if you don't have net banking, if you don't have debit card, is it? And you want to withdraw cash from bank, is it? What you will do? Yes, you are supposed to visit a branch of the bank, okay, in which you have account, right? Okay, you will approach that bank. After approaching that bank, after approaching that bank, you are supposed to fill up a withdrawal slip, right? Okay, now after filling the withdrawal slip, you will approach a counter. Is it? You will approach a counter where you will be submitting that withdrawal slip. Is it? You will prove your identity, and that person will give you whatsoever cash which you have mentioned into it, right? Okay, now whenever you come in contact with a representative of the service providing company, that is the cashier, is it? In this illustration, he is the cashier. Okay, now if that person speaks to you arrogantly, if the person speaks to you politely, is it? Both these phases, aggressively and politely. Okay, see, if that person speaks to you politely in a good manner, yes, you will say that the service company is very good. Okay, and if that person speaks with you arrogantly, aggressively, yes, you will say that the service company is not good. So service encounter means what? Okay, whenever and every time whenever you come across the representative of the service company, okay, the moment the moment when you come in contact with the service providing company, it is called as service encounter. Then it is service design. Okay, then it is service design. What is service design? Service design means yes, how or what is the nature of service which you are providing and how you will be providing that service. Okay, how you will be providing that service. All this is included in service design. All this is included in service design. Then service productivity. Okay, means whatsoever you the service which you are providing through your service company, is it whether it is worth, okay, what you have defined and what actually is provided through your unit, is it whether it is the same or it is different, is it. Then service providers corporate culture. Okay, service providers corporate culture means what? Yes, the atmosphere or environment of the service company. Okay, the atmosphere of the service company, how is it? Good or bad? Positive or negative? Because surely it will be reflected into the service which is provided. Okay, so these are the four things. See, without the appropriate design of service provision system, service exchange on the market is not possible, as its functioning enables efficient service delivery. In service design decision making, the key problem is related to the choice between the service personnel and the technological support to the service delivery process, depending on whether the service provider is focused on achieving maximum efficiency. The main understanding of service quality is the customer's view of service quality is connected to certain benchmarks. If a given service can be standardized, disagreements regarding the nature of service quality are mostly related to relationship between satisfaction and service quality, and in addition to quality, satisfaction is affected by a larger number of factors. Okay, so whenever we consider service quality, what is service quality? Yes, service quality means whatsoever you are offering, whether it is matching, whether it is matching with the needs of the consumer or the expectation of the consumer. If the customer's expectations or customer needs, they are matched with the features of your product after consuming your product, if that person feels satisfied, if the consumer feels satisfied, surely he will say that, he will utter there is quality into the product offered by so and so company. Okay, so this is the meaning of service quality. In the next lecture we will be going through the dimensions of service quality. With this we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.